Who's in the Pumpkin? Illustrated by Dean Gray and read aloud by Teacher Mike. Fat Cat Books. Please subscribe and press the bell.
It's time for Daddy Ghost to go trick-or-treating with Baby Ghost. But he can't find her anywhere. Is she in the haunted house? Listen, something's rattling. Rattle, rattle. There's a bony rattle in the window. Who's in the haunted house? I don't think it's Baby Ghost. What do you think is in the haunted house? Zombies? Werewolves? A witch? Oh, I know. They're skeletons. How many skeletons did you see?
There were 6 skeletons. I'm not Baby Ghost. I'm a silly skeleton.
Don't open the window too fast. I almost fell off.
That poor little spider almost fell off the window. Oh dear, where can Baby Ghost be? Is she behind the spooky tree? Listen, something's howling. Oh! That doesn't sound like Baby Ghost. Who's behind the spooky tree? Is it a zombie? Is it a skeleton? Is it a witch? Oh, I know. It has hairy hands. It must be a werewolf.
I'm not Baby Ghost. I'm a friendly werewolf.
How many zombies did you see?
There were 4 zombies.
Daddy Ghost is still looking for Baby Ghost. Is she in the cauldron? Listen, something's cackling. That doesn't sound like Baby Ghost. Who's in the cauldron? Is it a skeleton? A werewolf? A zombie? How many bubbles did you see?
There were 10 bubbles.
Oh, I know. That pointy hat belongs to a witch.
I'm not Baby Ghost. I'm a funny witch.
Where, oh where is Baby Ghost? Is she behind the creaky door? Listen, something's meowing.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
That doesn't sound like Baby Ghost. Who's behind the creaky door? Is it a werewolf? Is it a skeleton? Is it a witch? Did you spot the cat's eyes? What colour were they?
The eyes were yellow.
Oh, I know. There's a long tail. And there are 2 pointy ears. It must be a cat.
I'm not a baby ghost. I'm a black cat.
Daddy Ghost has looked everywhere for Baby Ghost. Where can she be? Listen, something's going boo.
Boo!
Who's in the pumpkin? Now that sounds like Baby Ghost.
Here I am, Daddy. Let's go trick or treating.
Happy Halloween, baby ghost.
Happy Halloween, Daddy.
Who do you like most in the story? Hello, witch. What are you cooking?
Hello! I'm cooking some lovely soup. And Bob has joined me for dinner.
Oh no! The witch has captured Bob. She's boiling Bob in her cauldron. Quick! We need to save Bob. We need to help Fat Cat save his brother Bob. Let's go!
I can help you too.
You'll never save Bob.
We need to help Fat Cat answer some Halloween questions so that Fat Cat can go and save Bob. How does the ghost feel? Find the word. Is it number 1, happy? Number 2, confused? Or number 3, bored?
Number 3, the ghost is bored.
You got it right this time, but you still won't save Bob.
Quick! We need to spin the wheel. The bigger number we get, the closer Fat Cat can get to Bob. Can you help me say stop? Are you ready?
Yay! Let's go!
Stop!
We got number 4. We can move closer to saving Bob.
Hey, I can help you save Bob too.
Zombie also wants to help save Bob before he's boiled by the evil witch.
Meow.
Zombie needs to answer another question so we can save Bob. What is this? Find the word. Is it number 1, a mummy? Number 2, a ghost? Or number 3, a cake?
Is it a cake?
Oh no! Zombie got it wrong.
The zombie will need more brains to save Bob.
Can you help Zombie get the right answer? That's right. It's a ghost.
Hello again. Can you help me get a good number?
Help Zombie get a good number by saying stop. Are you ready to say stop?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go.
Stop!
Yay! You got me a number 6. Woohoo!
Zombie can now move closer towards Bob.
I'm coming to save you, Bob.
Fat Cat, it's your turn to answer a question. Let's go. Can you help Fat Cat answer the question? The children, something, trick or treating. What's the missing word? Is it number 1, buy? Number 2, go? Number 3, do? Or number 4, play? That's right. The missing word is go. The children go trick or treating. Well done. Let's help Fat Cat get a good number. You shout stop. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's go.
Stop!
Well done. You got Fat Cat number 6. Let's go, Fat Cat. We need to save Bob. Oh no! Fat Cat has landed on a ghost. Fat Cat will lose one of his lives. Fat Cat has lost 1 life, but it's okay. Fat Cat has 3 more lives. He can still go and save Bob.
You'll never get past those ghosts and zombie hands.
You can keep helping Fat Cat save his brother Bob now by going to fatcatbooks.uk, where you can download the game, or you can check the link in the description. The game includes hundreds of pre-made Halloween questions, but you can also make your own. Just follow the easy-to-follow instructions. There's no need to be a PowerPoint expert. Just simply type in your answers and add a picture.
Are you too scared to save Bob?
Download it now at fatcatbooks.uk. Boost your creativity this Halloween with the Fat Cat Books activity booklet. It's packed with fun puzzles and crafting activities. Colour fun Halloween characters. Cut out a wide variety of Halloween masks for your costume. Use the spooky face templates to create jack-o'-lanterns or a scary ghost decoration. Solve the maze and reunite your favourite Halloween characters with their items. Build Frankenstein's monster or a skeleton that can dance. Play a range of fun games, such as see who can spot all the differences first, or count all the Halloween pictures, or play the fun Halloween board game and see who gets to the end first and who gets eaten by spiders. All also learn all the Halloween vocabulary with the large pack of Halloween flashcards. Get it now at fatcatbooks.uk. Goodbye. See you next time.